Hello people, and welcome to Crypto Exposed. So if you've been wondering what Ripple is doing with all that capital they've built up over the years, this latest insight from a major Wall Street player is going to get you pumped. Franklin Templeton's head of digital assets, Roger Baston, just dropped some powerful commentary. Ripple is deploying years of accumulated capital into building substantial real-world businesses, all to strengthen and expand the XRP ecosystem. Coming from one of the world's largest asset managers with 1.6 trillion under management, this is a huge vote of confidence. So, hit the like and subscribe button if you're interested in this news so you can be updated for future XRP content, and let's break down exactly what he said and why it's such a bullish development for XRP. Roger Baston shared these insights on the Thinking Crypto podcast. He explained that early blockchain networks like the XRP ledger have amassed Ripple significant capital over time. Now, the next phase is putting those resources to serious work. His exact words on Ripple is the company has, quote, fantastic plans, unquote, to redeploy capital generated through XRP into building substantial businesses. Ripple is already putting this strategy into action, deploying around $3 billion into critical infrastructure, including custody solutions, liquidity provisions, treasury management, and institutional brokerage services. This isn't about hype or speculation anymore. It's about turning XRP's ecosystem into rock-solid financial infrastructure that institutions actually want to use. Baston emphasized that XRP's long-term value will come from the scale of the financial systems built around it. He described blockchains as, quote, digital nation-states, unquote, that evolve at different speeds. And the strongest ones don't die, they adapt and grow. Ripple is making that evolution happen by channeling capital into real businesses that solve actual problems in payments, tokenization, and enterprise finance. This aligns perfectly with what we've seen recently. Growing institutional interest in XRP for custody, tokenization discussions, and pilots like the Singapore Central Bank project using RLUSD and the XRP ledger for trade finance. When a giant like Franklin Templeton highlights Ripple's strategic capital deployment, it signals that XRP is maturing into a serious player in institutional finance. So here's why this matters so much. Instead of just holding reserves, Ripple is actively investing in infrastructure that creates real utility and liquidity. This builds a stronger foundation for XRP as a bridge asset and settlement tool in a multi-chain world. Tokenization of real-world assets, real estate, commodities, securities, is exploding, and networks with deep liquidity and fast low-cost settlement like the XRP ledger are perfectly positioned to benefit. Baston's comments show that legacy projects with capital, vision, and execution are pulling ahead. Ripple isn't just surviving market cycles, it's thriving by building the businesses of the future. For XRP holders, this is exciting validation from traditional finance. Franklin Templeton sees Ripple actively creating the conditions for broader adoption by solving real business problems with blockchain. As more capital flows into these infrastructure plays and regulatory clarity improves, the setup for XRP's utility-driven growth looks incredibly strong. This kind of strategic building takes time, but when it scales, it can deliver serious long-term upside. Bottom line, a top executive at Franklin Templeton just confirmed Ripple is aggressively redeploying billions into real businesses to power the XRP ecosystem. This shift from speculation to substantial infrastructure is exactly what bullish XRP investors have been waiting for. So, what do you think? Is this the kind of behind-the-scenes building that will drive XRP higher in the coming years? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you did like this video, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for future XRP content. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be alerted on when I drop a new video. Thank you very much for watching this, and I'll see you all on the next one.